chapter. Play it up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee come in like a rupture. And everybody get chopped down. Play it up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor. Coffee come in like a rupture. And everybody get captured. Play it up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee come in like a rupture. And everybody get captured. Play it up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor. Coffee acting up the temperature for them see. Me know them men be but friend with the enemy. Yo, of course me see people around me so plenty. But me pocket na empty, me need space all dog. Give me see them a watch me to a cop now. Must you treat me a beating for lockdown. Sitting in a the bed, ni picking in a the century. A drench me but we me fire go place. And the same way so me see the enemy a protest. Oh, and him could come the closest. No, I can be still a do the most. I want my to work.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel I give decorating tips and ideas as well as home decorating inspiration and DIY. On this video today, I will be showing you how to apply peel and stick wallpaper. Super easy project that makes such a difference in your space. I mentioned in a prior video that I had started this project in my formal dining room. I ran out of wallpaper, so you guys don't make that mistake. Do your measurements, pay attention to the dimensions in the description of the wallpaper. Oh my gosh, I ordered 2 rolls of this paper and it still was not enough, and I'll show you guys in a second. I've got quite a bit of wall left to cover, so this time I made sure to pay attention to the measurements on the actual wallpaper I ordered. So hopefully, fingers are crossed that this roll will do the trick and I can finish up my project today. Again, peel and stick wallpaper is the way to go. Super easy. I wanted something I can take off because I like to change things up pretty frequently, so this was the best bet for me, and I really love the design of this one. Very neutral palette, so that's why I chose it, so that it would just be a really neutral background and wouldn't clash with any of the other pieces in this room. So as I've shown in prior videos, my formal living room and dining room are one big space, so I'll give you a view of the entire room at the end as well. Do me a favor and hit the subscribe button really quick. What are you waiting on, you guys? Please also hit the like button, thumbs up, so that you don't forget at the end of this video. It really helps my channel. Okay you guys, so this is the wallpaper that I am going to be using. And again, this is the brand name here, but I'll be leaving a link in the description box on the video. As you can see, it comes in different patterns and designs, okay? And yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using, and if you'd like to check it out, the link will be in the description box. All right. Okay you guys, so here is a view of the wallpaper so far. That is how far I got, and I have my buffet over here that's super heavy. Right here, that's as far as I could pull it out from the wall. So I'm hoping that I can fit my ladder behind there to finish the job. My husband isn't here to help me pull the buffet completely out, so I'm hoping I can squeeze through here and get it all done. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how far I got and how far I have to go. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I wanted to take a second and point out the tools that I used, which is a wallpaper smoothing kit I ordered from Amazon. It was about $7. I'll link it in the description. Here's an X-Acto knife, something you really will need to get those precise cuts around the edges of the wall. And it comes with this smoother as well as a smoother with like this felt tip to smooth out the wallpaper. As I mentioned, I had already gone through 2 rolls of wallpaper. This is the 3rd, and this one is wider than the rolls I was using previously. So you don't want to have a wider with a roll of wallpaper against a slimmer strip of wallpaper. So that's why I ripped it off the wall. We want everything to be seamless. So I am going to go in and start my next line of or row of wallpaper with the wider width roll that I just ordered. I want to point out that once I get to the edge by the baseboard, I'm going back and forth to make a precise line before using the X-Acto knife to make my cut. One thing I can say is this peel and stick wallpaper is so forgiving. You see me throughout the application lifting it up after being stuck to the wall to release any air bubbles or to reposition it. So that is another reason why I really love peel and stick wallpaper. Hey you guys, I'm back and a few things happened while recording this video. Oh my gosh, first of all, my phone ran out of space and then I ran out of wallpaper. You guys, I still didn't have enough to cover this wall. So me and measuring is just not working, you guys. I suck at measuring areas when it's time to do things like this, and it happens all the time, but oh my gosh, I just can't ever get it right. So I ended up ordering some more wallpaper. I only needed a little bit for a small space, but you know, if I have some left over, maybe I'll, you know, use it in another space in the house. I don't know, but that's what happened. I ran out of wallpaper and I ran out of space on my phone. So I'm continuing the video, but just wanted to let you guys know, measuring. Having those dimensions is so important of your space and the product that you're buying. Okay, so we're gonna jump back in and finish the video, but I had to jump in and just tell you guys what happened, okay? I'm in a whole different outfit, you know, so I know you guys are like, what is going on? That is what happened, okay? So let's finish up the project. Hey guys, so here is the finished product. I love the way it came out and it's giving true accent wall. Love the nude cream kind of taupe colors in the wallpaper. Goes really good in the space and it really makes a statement when coming into the room. Thank you guys for tuning in. Learn from me that you need to measure once, measure twice. The wall, the material you're using, measure. But overall, I love the way the project came out. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you guys on the next video. Here's a few pictures and video of the space.